Alright, good morning. Rob McGowan here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning of the Arctic Fox 275L. So let's go ahead and step inside real quick and we'll go there. A couple things we're going to notice as we enter into the coach. We've got a pre-sprung door, so no need to have the old catch on the back of the door anymore, and that is wind resistant. Large 4-step system, which this is a great step system, nice and solid. Large grab handle, they always use the large grab handles, makes it nice and convenient. Stepping into the coach, going to notice some different things automatically with the Northwood Arctic Fox product. We've got the pull-out coat rack, really nice feature. Solid surface countertops, nice TV, everything conveniently located. Your control panels are right here, so as you step into the coach you can control, of course, your slide out, your awning and water heater and all the other features. Monitor panels right there. We've got a nice pull-out spice rack. Lots of cabinetry throughout the coach, both large and smaller cabinetry. We've got the upgraded range and oven option. This oven option allows you to light the oven without having to go down and use a lighter. Nice backsplash. Again, solid surface countertops throughout. Double bowl sink with a residential faucet. Coming around, going to notice a residential style dinette table with a pull-out extension, storage underneath, and storage underneath the seats as well. So you know you can store cards, game boards, things of that nature. Power recliners, they're both heat and massage electric power recliners. And again, notice all of the cabinetry, all of the nice detail work that Arctic Fox does. These coaches are built here in the Northwest, for the Northwest, for all the different climates that we get here, which is why they use double pane windows throughout the coach. Stepping up into the bedroom area, nice walk around bed with a slide out wardrobe closet. Additional cabinetry on both sides, nightstands, USB ports on both sides of the bed, along with 110, of course. You've got a fantastic fan in the ceiling. You've got a nice nice storage area underneath the bed, so that you've got plenty of storage underneath the bed. Moving into the bathroom area, I'll let the camera do most of the work in there, but you've got linen closets, storage cabinets underneath, nice medicine cabinet, walk-in corner shower. Again, hard surface countertops throughout the coach. One nice thing you're going to notice with Northwood and Arctic Fox, they use Goodyear tires, and those are American manufactured tires. They're not manufactured overseas. Shocks all the way around, so all 4 wheels have shocks. Electric awning, of course. All LED lighting outside. Nice drip rails so that the water isn't running off the side of the coach. Solid back cap. Got a ladder to get to the roof. It's a fully walk-on roof. Plenty of roof capacity as far as weight, so you don't have to worry about that. It's also got a rack on the top. Coming back here to the side, this is where your docking station is and your battery disconnect. So everything is right inside there. That's heated, of course, when you're running your furnace. You're running your gas furnace in the coach, so that keeps everything heated. Arctic Fox is known to be a 4 seasons coach, of course, and part of that, look at that thickness of the baggage doors. All the baggage doors are nice and thick and heavy. Full pass-through back basement. Power jacks, so you've got power jacks all the way around, electronic leveling system. One touch, you can level the coach. Battery trays, slide out battery trays, very convenient for servicing those batteries and or replacing them. Just another nice touch that they do. This coach is equipped with a solar panel, but you can also use portable solar, which there's a connection right there for that. It makes it nice and convenient. If you don't want to add additional panels to the roof, you can simply plug in right there, and that will help maintain the batteries. Moving to the front compartment, this coach is generator ready, so with a little bit of extra work and an addition of a generator, you can so do that. Nice full fiberglass front cap with LED lighting in the front to help you hook up at night, and LED lighting throughout the cap. You've got the Ride front gooseneck hitch, so that when you're going down the road, this is designed for forward and backward movement and side to side, so you get less bucking. This is a really high quality coach, as is all Northwood products. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.